Exponential functions grow by repeated multiplication. Unlike a line, which adds the same amount each step, an exponential multiplies by the same amount. Here is f of x equals 2 to the x. At x equals 0, the value is 1, and each step to the right doubles it. 1, then 2, then 4, then 8. That constant doubling is called the base, which is 2. The base is the fixed multiplier between steps. Every exponential crosses the y-axis at 1, since any base to the 0 power is 1. The output stays positive forever. The curve never touches the x-axis. Going left, it keeps halving towards 0, hugging the x-axis as a horizontal asymptote. If the base is between 0 and 1, like 1/2, it shrinks instead. In this case, we have a repeated halving. So an exponential function with a base above 1 grows, and an exponential function with a base below 1 decays. An exponential multiplies by its base each step, stays positive, crosses the y-axis at 1, and levels off at the x-axis.